DJI is making preparations for what could be one of its most innovative launches in recent years with the upcoming DJI Flip drone. Fresh leaks from trusted DJI insider Igor Bogdanov have given us an early glimpse into this compact drone, revealing an impressive mix of portability, AI-driven intelligence, and robust safety features. Slated for an early 2025 release, potentially coinciding with CES in January, the DJI Flip seems designed to blur the line between entry-level drones and more advanced models from the mini-series. At first glance, the DJI Flip's design immediately grabs attention. Weighing under 250 grams, it stays within the regulatory sweet spot that exempts it from many drone licensing requirements in several countries. This compact build isn't just about portability, it's paired with advanced technology that you'd typically find in higher-end DJI drones. One standout feature is its obstacle avoidance system, which reportedly utilizes LiDAR sensors. If true, this would mark a significant step forward in safety for sub-250 gram drones. LiDAR technology is usually reserved for DJI's premium offerings, like the Air 3S. Including full surface propeller protection also hints at a design philosophy focused on user safety, making the Flip appealing to beginners and experienced pilots. Beyond its physical design, the DJI Flip integrates an array of automated flight modes directly accessible from the drone interface. Features like quick shots, offering droney, rocket, circle, helix, boomerang, and spotlight modes, are expected to make capturing cinematic aerial footage incredibly simple. Combined with AI tracking capabilities, it's clear DJI is catering to content creators who want professional-grade results without a steep learning curve. Under the hood, the DJI Flip is rumored to house a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing stunning 4K footage at 60 frames per second with HDR support. For a drone in this weight class, these specs are impressive and set a new standard for compact drones. To enhance aerial photography, DJI is expected to include ND filters in Flip's accessory lineup, with ND16, ND64, and ND256 filters available. These filters will help photographers and videographers achieve cinematic looks even in bright sunlight, allowing for better control over exposure and motion blur. Battery life is another strong point. The Flip is said to feature a 3,110 mAh battery, offering up to 31 minutes of flight time. This figure is competitive with other compact drones on the market and should give users plenty of time to capture the perfect shot without constantly worrying about recharging. In terms of connectivity, the DJI Flip is expected to use the OcuSync 4.0 O4 transmission system. This technology ensures a stable connection between the drone and its controller, potentially increasing range and minimizing latency. It also hints at compatibility with DJI's latest RC controllers, including the RC-N3. DJI has always excelled at blending advanced technology with ease of use, and the Flip appears to be no exception. The drone's interface is designed to simplify complex operations, ensuring even beginners can master its functions quickly. From automated quick shots to AI-based tracking, the Flip seems optimized for both novice pilots and seasoned professionals. Another interesting leak points towards a cellular dongle 2 module, which would allow the Flip to stay connected even in areas with weak Wi-Fi signals. This could greatly expand the drone's operational range and improve reliability during long-distance flights. Additionally, the DJI Flip is rumored to fall under DJI's FPV drone category, which means first-person streaming could be a core feature. FPV capabilities add a layer of immersion, especially for drone enthusiasts who enjoy a real-time pilot's eye view during flights. DJI seems to be offering the Flip in 3 distinct packages. The base drone unit will reportedly cost around $460 USD, offering an affordable entry point for hobbyists. The RC2 controller bundle, which includes the upgraded remote controller for more precise handling, is expected to be priced at $670 USD. The Fly More combo, likely including extra batteries, a charging hub and a carrying case, will be priced at $800 USD. This pricing structure positions the Flip as a mid-tier drone, more advanced than entry-level selfie drones, but still more affordable than DJI's flagship Mini and Air series. DJI is making this strategic move to appeal to a broader audience without compromising on quality or essential features. Industry insiders are speculating that DJI will officially showcase the Flip during CES 2025 in Las Vegas. The timing aligns well with DJI's typical product launch cycles, and CES remains one of the biggest platforms for tech announcements globally. If DJI does choose CES for the unveiling, we can expect live demos, hands-on previews, and perhaps even additional accessories revealed alongside the drone. While the leaked images and specifications give us a fairly comprehensive overview of the DJI Flip, a few details remain unclear. For instance, while we know about the drone's flight time and camera specs, questions about its real-world performance, low light capabilities, and software integration remain unanswered. Additionally, how well DJI's AI-based tracking and LiDAR systems will perform in varying environments is something only real-world testing can confirm. That said, if the leaks are even mostly accurate, the Flip could set a new benchmark for what's possible in the compact drone market. The DJI Flip can easily turn out to be an exciting addition to DJI's already impressive drone lineup. With features like a high-resolution 4K camera, AI-powered flight modes, reliable obstacle avoidance, and up to 31 minutes of flight time, it seems tailored for content creators and drone enthusiasts alike. Its competitive pricing structure also ensures it won't alienate casual users looking for an entry point into the world of drones. While some details remain under wraps, the DJI Flip already looks like a promising blend of performance, portability, and innovation. As we await an official announcement, likely in early 2025, it's clear that DJI has big plans for this compact folding drone. A professional videographer, or someone looking to capture stunning aerial footage effortlessly, the DJI Flip seems ready to deliver. Keep an eye on CES 2025, as it's likely we'll see DJI officially pull back the curtain on this highly anticipated release. So, are you excited? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and thanks for watching.